Hello, hello, hello. Do you want to download on your TV? Okay, well, Kik, let's see how we can do this. It's super, super easy. Okay, so what would we do? Well, the first thing we should do is go this way, okay, to our command house, okay, this way, and we're going to go to the applications section, okay? It depends on the smart TV model. It can be here or it can be here, but the section is always applications, okay? Or apps as it says here. So let's go this way, okay? And let's go up. Okay, here where the applications are searched, and we are going to go here, and we would put here, we would write quick, okay? And well, until we find it, okay, well, we would put the C, okay, and then we would install it and it would come out here, okay, we would just click it and it would come out goodbye.
Generate by AI.